Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find people nearby section on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here. Now here, as you see, you'll find your this people nearby section. You can manage your people nearby here section. You can also create groups of nearby people. And that's it for today. That's how to find people nearby section on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.